a fan of Microsoft's Edge browser? Us too. But did you know that there's a setting in Edge that sends the images you view online to Microsoft? That's done to enhance the images. And while this might not seem like a big deal, some business owners might be concerned about the privacy implications. Here's how to disable it. First, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen and select Settings. Scroll down and click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Then turn off the toggle switch next to Improve your web experience by allowing Microsoft to use information about websites you browse. That's it. You disabled the feature. Of course, there are other settings in Edge that you might want to explore, like the ones that control your data collection preferences or limit pop-ups and redirects. If we can help you do that, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.